What's up, guys? This is the Bronco. You've seen a little bit of it so far, I think, but we're gonna go through, give you kind of the backstory, show you what we've already done to it, and then I'll show you a little bit of progress we made the last week or two, and then yeah, that's where we are right now. So to start off, we bought new hood. It's the ventless hood, so it's got no corner vents. New grill, new fenders. We started working these. You can see the gap is pretty terrible from the factory. So we worked this so it's gonna have a sharper, crisp edge on it. Built the core support, built inner fenders. Doors are crusty. We gotta fix some rust in there. Some more over here. We've done some work already, some patches. Not beautiful. So I'll show you. Inside, we've gotten rid of this big hump that's normally in all early Broncos. Kind of hate that. That's transfer case shifter. That's just a mock-up one. Started cleaning up some of the rust. Got some surface rust on it. It's not as bad as it looks in the video. Columns put in. Started messing around with a wooden bed floor. These are just some temporary wood just to test it out. We put, let me get the door open. We put Cadillac latches. So those are from a Cadillac CTS. Kind of reworked some of that. Working on this gap a little bit. Most of them just have a square cut here. We're adding a rounded edge, and we got to bring some of that out some. The round back. We've added bear claw latches into the tailgate. Much better shut. So that's pretty much that. This is pretty much where we're at. I'll go ahead and show you under the hood. We've done a lot of work under here. We got a lot more to do and some things I want to change that I don't like. That's right, it's LS powered. So it's gonna have an LS, hopefully running Holley Terminator X again, just like in my C10. We've started building the inner fenders. We built some of a filler panel here along the radiators and the grill, so it's not open. It kind of hides everything. We gotta change a little bit here and finish up this one. Headers are a little rusty, but we built headers on both sides. Have to finish those up. Smooth the firewall. Gearbox, steering shaft, all that stuff's new. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. So we're gonna start on that for 2024. That's our new project. So kind of what we're gonna take in, we're also gonna flush mount the windshield. It's gonna have a soft top. Not sure quite what we're gonna do with suspension yet. Main focus right now is gonna be finishing up the sheet metal, reworking the doors. The other door, I didn't show you, the passenger door is trash, so we gotta deal with that. We gotta get some glass. But yeah, I think it'll be pretty cool. Should really enjoy it. Should be a fun one to do. So we're going to start over here, clean this up, start cleaning up some of this junk, and then start reworking some of the stuff I want to change and make nicer. So that's what we're on right now. Here I'm just applying layout fluid to the wheel opening so that I can let it dry and then transfer with a caliper with the sharp edges aligned to give me the same distance all the way around the wheel well so that I can make it all flow and look even, at least as a starting point, and then we'll work it farther from there. that's about all our progress for this week. We'll start off Monday and get some more done. Try to finish up this, and maybe we'll add that tail panel in there, and then fill in the little lip right here and redo this area down here, and then we'll move on to the door. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.